Hello and welcome back to the channel. Eng.Bukoola Simon Peter here. Today I was scrolling and I saw a challenge on LinkedIn. I tried it out. It was of a lattice and I thought I could show you how I did it. So we start by creating a new part. Go to new part, say OK. So according to the dimensions, it's 100 by 100. So you go to the front plane, we say sketch, come here to the rectangle tool, make these two lines equal, and small dimensions, make this one 100. And say OK. In features, you come to extruded boss. In condition from blind, you take it to midpoint, mid plane, and then set the depth to 100. Say OK. You come to the front face. You press sketch, Control 8. So one of the side is cut with a radius of 50 degrees. So I'm going to create a sphere which is 50 degrees. Come here, circle, smart dimensions, make this one 50. Oh, sorry, 100 because the radius is 50. What you're going to do, you're going to bring in the center line because you're going to revolve cut. Then you trim this and make this one, bring it out of construction. And then in features, you come to revolve cut about this axis. Say OK. So we have one dent. We have to mirror this. Revolve cut, front plane. Say OK. Mirror the two again. This time round, it's the right plane. Say OK. Now we mirror everything. Go to mirror. Go to top plane. Say OK. Now we have made a step in what you're supposed to do. The next step is creating the other revolve cut. So you select that face, go to sketch, and then press Ctrl 8 to go to normal. Sketch this curve up here, and then this one is 25 radius, but we have to give it some constraints. This vertex and this will have to be horizontal, and then this center has to touch there. Now, since you're going to revolve cut, you're going to create a rectangle here. Now select this upper edge, go to features, revolve cut, and say OK. So we are going to do the same thing. We are going to mirror this front plane, say OK, mirror that right plane. Oh, mirror. No. This time around, you're not going to mirror, since you're going to create a circular pattern. So what you do, you go to features, you go to geometry, axis, you go to front and right, say okay. Now select this one, come to circular pattern, and then the direction, press this axis, say okay, make sure they are 4, and now we're going to mirror set of plane, say okay. Now we select this cut. We are going to revolve it again on this axis, but before we have to create another axis again. Right, top, such a pattern, features, we go to cut, say okay, we mirror that, and front plane, say okay. So when we check our model, it's at least somewhere behind this axis. It's only left to shell. So we come to shell. According to the drawing, it is 2 millimeters. Then select these faces, all these faces. Select all these 4 faces, and then press OK. Ctrl 7. So that's it. That's how you create this model in SolidWorks. I'll see you in the next one.